If you've been paying attention, you've probably seen or heard about StableFund. StableFund is not new, but it is just starting to gain some traction. I'm going to do a real quick review of StableFund, what it's all about, what it's doing, and give you my thoughts on it at the end of this video. Let's get straight into it. Hello everyone, my name is Sean. I am the Crypto Smith. Thanks for coming back. If you would take just a second for me and click that like button and subscribe. If you enjoy the content, I appreciate it. It really helps grow my channel, getting my content out there and push me up in the old YouTube algorithm. I appreciate that. StableFund, what is it? It is a staking platform using the Polygon blockchain and the matic token. Now, this one is not new. This program has been around in more of a private capacity for the last 2 years. And now apparently the developer decided to make it public, and it's starting to gain a bit of traction, and people are flocking to this one like crazy right now. So what is going on with this that is getting people excited? What they're doing, they're paying a 1.5% daily reward based on your deposit. Now, when you deposit, and I'm currently in this one, just for full disclosure, I'm actually in this one. So I'm one of these 1,761 investors. You'll notice the total invested, total reward sometimes comes on and off. It's a little glitchy on their website. They are actually working on a new website and an iPhone and Android app, which is really cool. So what you do is you deposit your matic, and I made some, you can see my deposits here. It pays you 1.5% per day on your deposit every day. However, it locks up your capital, whatever your deposits are, it locks it up for 28 days. As you can see, I initially got in 26 days ago, so 2 days left. You can, however, withdraw your rewards every single day and reinvest them if you want, take them out and put them back in your wallet. This was just a test for me. I threw some in here, and I've basically been withdrawing my rewards every few days just to test, just to make sure there aren't any bugs. It's not locking up on me. It's not locking me out. I'm able to do that. I did reinvest one small time here, and then I put in a couple of more deposits just to kind of spread it out a little bit. I'm going to be doing an update to this in about a week to 10 days. Once I withdraw my capital out, once these are unlocked and released, I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to put it all back in one lump sum and go from there. And I'll be doing periodic updates on what's happening with this project. Now, if you're investing in this and you're continually compounding your daily earnings, you're going to get your initial investment back, or you're able to pull your initial investment out in about 48 days. So basically, you're going to double your investment in 48 days. I'm not recommending you do that or recommending you don't do that. I'm just saying that's basically how the math works. If you go to the top of their website here, it does have a calculator where you can put in your wallet address. It's going to tell you, it's going to basically read how many tokens you have and how many tokens you have in the project. And it's going to print out, what your projections are. I didn't put anything in here, but this is where you can come and see what's that compounding effect going to do for you over a day, a week, a month, a year, to satisfy your curiosity on what's possible with this. Now, this isn't one of the big, 8% daily, the baked beans miners and the BNB crops farmer. It doesn't pay that kind of. We're going to call it a more sustainable. I'm not stating, okay, don't accuse me of stating that this is going to run forever, because I don't know. I know it's been around a couple of years. I've been in it 26 days. Everything seems fine. I've not read any issues with this so far. Like I said, the website is a little bit glitchy, but they're working on that. You can go to their Telegram group and read all about it. And they've got a marketwatch.com press release here for Stable One Group. And it just gives you some information. This just came out this morning. Today is May 25th. It's an AI-based trading bot. That's how they make their money. They take your funds from this contract, right? These that I deposited, and an AI bot is doing, I'm assuming, is arbitrage trades. Okay, so they're making that 1.5% on your money. They're actually, I believe a lot of times are making more than that, but they're taking some of that money and they're reinvesting it back into the contract. Some of it is going to get taken off the top, obviously going to the developer, since he deserves to get paid as well. And I have no issue with that. Basically, so you can go in and you can read this and see this real quick little memo about StableFund, and they're coming out with an app. I believe they're coming out with this app and the new website in maybe 3 or 4 weeks. So that's what I'm hearing. I'll update you on that info as I get more. So where are we at? This is StableFund. You get paid 1.5% rewards daily by the use of an AI trading bot, and you can compound every day if you like. Your initial investment is locked up for 28 days. So understand that going into it. They've made it very easy. It's actually a very easy to use website. They make it very easy and very quick to pull your rewards out if you want to just pull them out every day, just to be safe, and easy to, I'm hoping, easy to withdraw your capital at the end of my staking period, which was 28 days. So having said all of that and giving you the basics of this particular project, here are my thoughts on it. I know it's been out for a couple of years and I have not seen any issues with it so far, being in 26 days. 1.5% daily interest seems much more reasonable than a bunch of the other BNB miners and high interest projects, staking projects out there that are offering 3, 3.5, 5, 8%, sometimes up to 12, which we know isn't sustainable. I did a video before, and I'm going to link it above, about what to expect in these, about how to be honest with yourself about what you're getting into, right? If they're offering you, what you might consider to be outrageous interest rates on your deposits, there's probably a good reason for you to be concerned about that, right? We know they're not sustainable for long term. They may go for weeks or months. And in some cases, I've seen them go for more than a year and still running fairly strong. This one here has been running a couple of years and still running strong. This one here has got $1.4 million in the contract right now. That's a pretty large contract. This one's only been public, I'm thinking, just a couple of months. And I got in nearly a month ago. And when I got into this, the number of total investors was right around 650, 700. So I've seen this grow quite a bit in the last few weeks. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to be putting my money back into it, or putting my matic back into it. And we're going to see where it goes from there. Now, just like every video, I have to tell you, do not put anything into this if you cannot afford to lose it, right? This is still crypto. It is still very risky. This site, I could wake up tomorrow morning and be completely gone. I would be a little surprised, but I wouldn't be shocked. I've seen it before. I'm prepared to lose what I put in. Don't take this as investment advice, all right? You guys have to go out there. I don't know your situation. Review this, see what you think. Look at the good, look at the bad. Make a decision for yourself, all right? I appreciate you watching the video. I wish you all a great night.